This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. Fantastic single-level living just minutes to the heart of Birch Bay. Welcome to Starfish Lane. This is the floor plan you've been waiting for. 3-bedroom / 2-bathroom no stairs rambler with separate living plus family rooms. Vaulted ceilings set the tone and you'll love the beech hardwood flooring and cherry kitchen cabinets. Relax or entertain in the fenced yard featuring a delightful private covered 14 by 18 patio, enclosed on 2 sides. Ideal location: walk to the beach, the state park and the local dining and amenities. Birch Bay is a seaside gem nestled between Vancouver, BC and Seattle, Washington, while still maintaining the charm of a small coastal town. Don't miss these bonus features: air conditioning and a whole house automatic generator. These expensive upgrades set it apart from the rest. For more information, review the details below or contact Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz at 360-815-0803.